Hello, my name is David Garzón Sanchez. I live in Cartago Valle and I work at MBM Software Engineering uh, in, Pereira, Risaralda. I study IT engineer. Um, and I'm going to talk about environmental problems associated with the use of pesticides and fertilizers. The environmental problems generated by the use of fertilizer and pesticides have a great impact because they are used worldwide. Fertilizers have the quality of improving soils conditions to improve crop production and increase the amount of produce harvested. So that is fine. The problem occurs when the excess of fertilizers penetrates the soil before being absorbed by the crop, reaching the groundwater. Mm, the groundwater nitrogen and phosphate residues. Also, the residues can remain on the surface and be carried by the wind reaching water sources. This nutrient overload causes eutrophication of lakes, reservoirs, and ponds, which generates an explosion of algae that suppress other aquatic plants and animals. Insecticides, herbicides, fungicides are also heavily applied in many countries, resulting in the contamination of fresh water, while carcinogenic compounds and other poisons that affect humans of the many forms of wildlife. Pesticides also reduce biodiversity by destroying plants and insects, with them species that provide food for birds and other animals. In some developed countries, They have taken measures for restrict the use of pesticides by implementing laws and taxes. It's estimated that the use of it estimates the use of smart pesticides and resistant crops to reduce pollutant emission as likely to increase in a few years. It's recommended to implement this method developed by some countries to reduce air and water pollution. Thank you.